UK invests 13 million in sustainable nuclear graphite. For decades, the UK's nuclear industry has depended on imported graphite, a material so critical to advanced reactors that it accounts for a third of their build costs. That dependence is now in the crosshairs of a new €13 million, $14 million initiative that aims to close the supply gap and turn one of the sector's biggest waste headaches into a valuable resource. The 5-year ENLIGHT program, led by the University of Manchester, in partnership with Oxford, Plymouth, and Loughborough universities, will develop sustainable graphite for next-generation advanced modular reactors, AMRs. Funding comes from an $8.2 million, $8.9 million UK Research and Innovation Grant, higher education support, and $5 million, $5.4 million in industry contributions. From waste burden to circular resource. The UK's advanced gas-cooled reactor fleet will be decommissioned by 2028, leaving more than 100,000 tons of irradiated graphite in storage. Current disposal options carry steep long-term costs, potentially €2 billion, $2.15 billion, and offer little in return. ENLIGHT's plan is to decontaminate, recycle, and reuse that graphite, creating a circular resource stream for future AMRs. This program will reduce waste, strengthen energy security, and support the country's net zero ambitions, said Professor Abby Jones, chair in nuclear graphite at the University of Manchester. It's about re-establishing UK-based supply while building sustainable solutions for the future. Engineering graphite for tomorrow's reactors. ENLIGHT's scope goes beyond recycling. Researchers at Oxford will design new graphite grades capable of withstanding the extreme heat and radiation of AMRs, while Loughborough will use advanced modeling to predict when components might fail, improving reliability and safety. Plymouth's team will focus on understanding the porous structure of recycled graphite to ensure it meets the same performance standards as newly manufactured material. Dr. Greg Black, senior advisor at the Environment Agency, called the program's sustainable graphite approach a direct match for the regulator's research priorities. A strategic play in the global reactor race. As countries race to deploy AMRs and other advanced fission technologies, securing raw materials is becoming a strategic necessity. By developing homegrown graphite manufacturing and recycling capabilities, the UK is positioning itself as both a supplier and innovator in a niche but vital segment of the clean energy market. If successful, ENLIGHT could not only save billions in waste management costs, but also give the UK a competitive edge in the global nuclear supply chain, while ensuring that a key material for low-carbon energy is available, affordable, and sustainably sourced. You've been listening to Sustainability Soundbites presented by E+E Leader. For partnership opportunities, reach out to a member of our team.